Why are we here? Why are we here?
We're here at Marina South Pier. We are gonna go to Lazarus Island today.
Big Tiny, there's a container house there. Then they invited us to go over and go and review, go and see the space. So we're gonna film a lot of fun content and tell you what you can do at Lazarus Island. Then after that at night, maybe we go and explore the jungle a bit. I wonder if you know how to live without you.
What happened to your night exploration?
You're all scared what?
I'm not scared.
Hello!
Yeah, after the horrible boat ride, we are here at
not so
Lazarus
bad lah.
Island. After we explore the island, we're gonna cook up some stuff, create some food recipe videos on the island.
Yeah.
On mainland, you don't get like such a quiet. You zoom in so much. Where can we fish here?
Everywhere, bro. They say anywhere you see the water, you throw inside.
Got fish, man.
Mermaid also can, bro. Later you throw inside, then you boom. My life is falling apart. Rod break. String cut. Hope's gone.
Listen, it's okay. You still have me.
Go and whack the aircon first.
I need to head to the Meatmen channel to try this recipe out. Wow. Wow.
So now we are going to show you guys our rooms that we'll be sleeping in tonight. So here over there you can see John's room, and the one behind us is gonna be my room.
Wow.
So this one right is inside of the big tiny room. Honestly, I didn't expect the amenities they have inside. It's fully air conditioned and there's also Wi-Fi over here. And the whole aesthetic of this room right, super look like Muji, you know. So over here they actually prepared a welcome package for us. And there's also like a lot of snacks, coffees and drinks that you can enjoy during your trip here. Hey, John!
Feels good. Feels good. There's enough space. I love it. Oh, it's really big, tiny, and they really make use of the space super well. Now we're gonna check out Dickson's room, which I'll visit him tonight later. See, this can be converted into a sofa bed.
Wow!
Look
Look
at
at this! Wow, these people are good, huh? Who are they? Meatmen channel.
Hey, bro, you see, the kettle so nice.
How come you come outdoor then you cook so much better?
Say lah, wow, this is the live
Wow, the city very beautiful lah. Okay, so we have come to the end of this 2-day 1-night escape at Lazarus Island. John, how was it?
Amazing. Actually, I would really come back again.
Right.
Yeah.
I'll come back with your loved ones, your girlfriend.
yeah.
Actually, it'll be very nice, like a date time here. Yeah, the room was super comfortable. I had a great sleep last night. Super comfortable, very bouncy also. Sure.
I knocked out, and then like morning I wake up late.
Yeah lah, this guy we go filming, he's just on late. This guy, he tell me 6:30, he come up. Hey.
Bro.
Right. So okay lah. So if you're interested, go and book, then come and try out lah. Huh? We really enjoy ourselves. 2 bros on the goes. Peace.